Hello, Andrew here. How you doing? And this one always comes up often. How to make a change. We all want to make changes, don't we? I'm sure we do. But the trap people fall in is they want to change everything and they just get overwhelmed and generally never happens. So the idea, if you are wanting to make a certain change in your life, I'm not talking just external, more just emotional, is to ask yourself, firstly, why do you need to make a change in this area? Which is the reason why you want to change. You're fed up, most likely. But you got to go, is it really going to help? Because sometimes changes don't always work. And you go, well, I tried that and it didn't work. And then you're back where you started. So you really got to get a little bit deeper and go, okay, why is this change necessary? And I always encourage people to write stuff down. Because sometimes we'll get a thought and go, that's really cool. And then 3 seconds later, the phone rings and that thought's gone. So write these things down. And when you're not distracted, you go, okay, I feel I need to change this because I'm sick of the way I react to something or whatever. So write it down. Also have the courage to know that the change is not going to be easy. Because changes are hard. But the rewards are so fucking good. And unfortunately, some people don't see the rewards that they will hopefully get from a change because of the struggle they're going to go through to get to the other side. A bit like the whole fear thing we talked about. So again, just know that it's not going to be easy, but it's going to be worth the battle. And that's the next point, the commitment that you got to go through to continue with that change. So I hope that makes a little bit of sense. Have a think about that. Feel free to comment, like I said. Also share it with somebody you think might be interested in this. And just think about it. A lot of stuff to do. Change is great. It's very good. See ya.